do an unboxing! Actually, I already opened this. So, this is from Shopee. So, this is my Orion Choc Coffee. Dumating na siya ngayon. I've been looking forward for this talaga. Kasi I ran out already of stock. So, I need to restock. So, I get here 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes of Orion Choc Coffee. This has been my coffee for the past 3 months. Ako kasi yung type ng person na mahilig ako sa smell ng coffee, pero hindi ako nakakatulog kasi pag umiinom ako ng coffee. I was looking for an alternative. This one has a lot of benefits, guys. Dito yung mga ingredients niya. Meron siyang L-glutathione, marine collagen. It has chia seeds. Pwede din siyang pampapayat, guys. It has omega-3, vitamin D3, vitamin C, paragus, and barley. So, the ingredients itself is very, very healthy, guys. If naghahanap kayo ng pampaputi na masarap, Orion Herbal Choc Coffee. So, buksan natin ang isa, guys. Meron siyang 7 sachets. Punta lang kayo guys sa Shopee niya, guys. Orion Herbal Store. This is the one I ordered, the Choc Coffee. Yan. Per 1 box, it's 250. But if bumalik kayo ng marami, may discount sila. For me, I ordered 3 boxes. So, yung 250, naging 230 each na lang. Check the links in the description ng Shopee nila. And you can order from them this Orion Choc Coffee.